Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now, let's take a look at what we would be expecting this week on GBP USD. So let's start with the trend. First of all, we would start with the trend. At first, we can see that there was this kind of like an impulse move to the upside here. Then we had this corrective move, right? Another impulse move which came to give us like a double, you know, top there. We had a drop, then a new movement was made, which took out this our previous highs. As you can see, this is a correct pullback. This is another impulse move, and now this here is a pullback which dropped. Now we will be expecting another impulse move to the upside. So we will be expecting another bullish move probably to come and give us a new higher highs. So by next year, we should be able to see some movement like that. But right now, let's see what it's actually doing. We can see that this is the resistance level. Let's sit on the forward time frame, which is more better. So this is the resistance level here, right? We can see that once market comes to this our resistance level, we tend to see jump to this our support level. Then we can see this to our support level here, come to our resistance. Guess what? Market has now given us a breakout of our resistance level. So that is an indication that a change of direction is now playing out on this GBP USD. I mean, take a look at something like this. You can see at first markets drop and pushed up, drop here. We had a push up, right? When we see this drop actually, took out this lows a bit before markets pushed up. And guess what? This thing actually took out this previous highs, and it also took out this here lower highs, and also took out this lower highs. So guess what? All you just have to do is wait for a pullback and we will continue the movement to the upside. So that is what we will be expecting on GBP USD. Now, those of you that actually made your complaint that you were unable to subscribe to the Patreon channel last week, that you actually missed out the opportunity, you can now do that. We will put the link in the comment section. So we would re-offer that 40% discount that we gave last week. We are now reoffering. So if you missed it out last week, definitely you have another opportunity to actually join now. Remember that opportunity will still be owed for 2 days. I think this opportunity should only last for this year. So this is an opportunity for only this year. So we are opening that 40% discount, which will only last for 2 days. So after 2 days, then the 40% discount offer would be over. So if you're interested, go to the comment section and subscribe.